Good morning students. Today we will do NCERT exercise 5.5. In this exercise basically we will learn how to differentiate some functions which are coming in the power of another function. So in this exercise basically we will use logarithmic differentiation property in this. So first question is cos x multiply cos 2x multiply cos 3x. So as this is coming in the product of three functions, so whenever two functions are coming in product, we can easily use product rule. But whenever more than two functions are coming in product, in that case it's better to use log. So now taking log on both sides, so it will simplify the this function. It makes easy for doing the differentiation. So using properties of logs, we will apply this log y log cos x cos 2x cos 3x. Property we will use log m into n into l is equals to log m plus log n plus log n. So using this property, this is log y is equals to log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. These are all are natural logarithmic under the base e. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. First we will take log, then we have to differentiate this. So d by dx of log y, d by dx log cos x, d by dx log cos 2x, d by dx of log cos 3x. Now assume that this is with respect to x. So what is the differentiation of log x? That is 1 upon x. So it will be 1 upon y. So now with the chain rule we will differentiate with respect this y with respect to x. Same if we are differentiating this log of cos x, so it will first of all cos x will go in denominator, then the d by dx of cos x. Similarly 1 upon cos 2x, d by dx of cos 2x, then 1 upon cos 3x, d by dx of cos 3x. So 1 upon y dy by dx. Differentiation of cos is minus sine. Differentiation of cos 2x is minus sine 2x upon cos 2x. Now this 2x part, further use chain rule in this and we will get 2. Differentiation of this cos 3x is minus sine 3x upon cos 3x, and then this chain rule, this 3x will be differentiated by respect to x, we will get 3. Now finally our answer of this question will be y multiply by this minus 10x minus 10 2x and minus 3 tan 3x. Now what is y? What is y? Y is cos x, cos 2x and cos 3x. This is our question. Cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x multiply by minus tan x, minus 2 tan 2x, minus 3 tan 3x. So this is the final answer. Now second question is y is equal to, in the whole square root there is product of x minus 1 into x product of x minus 1 x minus 2 over divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. So whenever there is I had told you that function raised to the power something is coming, means function की power function में आए या कोई product में डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट में कोई कॉम्प्लिकेटेड फंक्शंस आ जाए, एक दो से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स आ जाए, तो इट्स easy if we it's a good thing if we use logarithmic function. It makes functions easy for doing the differentiations. Differentiation करने के लिए ये function को easy बनाया जाता है. So now taking log on both sides. This question we can write this as like 1 upon 2 power square root of 1 by 2 we can write. So now this is log by, and half will come outside when we take log of this x minus 1 x minus 2 upon x minus 3 x minus 4 x minus 5. Using property we will use in this log n raised to the power n is n log n. Using this property का use करते हुए this power will come this side and now this. So for more we can more simplify this as half log m upon n. Log m upon n is log m minus log n. If this is n and this whole is n, log m minus log n. With the use of properties, this function becomes very easy to differentiate. Now property I am using here, log m upon n, log m minus log n. Still there is product and log is there, so we can further use one more property, log x minus 1. Log m is log m plus log n, then log x minus 3. Here is minus sign, so minus will come log x minus 4 log x minus 5. Using property log m into n log n plus log n. Now we can differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. This is now becomes log y का differentiation, it will be 1 upon y with a chain rule dy by dx. Half differentiation of each and every term in this log x minus 1, it will become x 1 upon x minus 1, and x के respect to differentiation it is 1. Then log x minus 2 when we are differentiating this term log x minus 2, 1 upon x minus 2 will come, then x minus 2 का x के respect में it will be 1. Similarly log x minus 3, 1 upon x minus 4, 1 upon x minus 5. log के साथ जो भी होगा वो सबसे पहले it will go in denominator, and then x minus 1 का differentiation क्या होगा with respect to x. x minus 1 का differentiation होगा dy by dx of x is 1, and constant का differentiation is 0. So finally it is 1. So 1 will come in the multiplication here also 1. So but there is no need to write 1. Now dy by dx is equal equals to this y will go in multiplication. Y is square root of x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5, and multiply by half, then 1 upon x minus 1, 1 upon x minus 2, 1 upon x minus 3, 1 upon x minus 4, minus 1 upon x minus 5. This is the final answer. There is no requirement to take LCM because this is in the simplified form. Now, third question you will do yourself. In this fourth question, you can observe that this is function raised to the power function, and this is a raised to the power x form. ये a raised to power x form है, and this is function raised to power function. We cannot take log both at this stage. इस stage पे हम log नहीं ले सकते because we cannot apply the property here. If there is a multiplication of function, then we can use the log. यहाँ पे multiplication है, here is minus है. So we will separately assume this and this one, and then we can separately solve, differentiate this function with respect to x, then this function with respect to x, then we will combine the result of both these functions. So let us assume that ux is x raised to the power x and bx is 2 raised to the power sin x minus. So finally our y function is ux plus vx. This y function is composed of these two functions, x raised to the power x and minus 2 raised to the power sin x. So separately we will do the differentiation. So now ux is equals to x raised to the power x. How we will differentiate this? Taking log both sides. दोनों sides के log लेंगे. We will use logarithmic properties, and then we can simplify and we can differentiate easily. Now differentiate. This is power. This power will come in front with the use of property. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. दोनों साइड्स को x के रिस्पेक्ट में हम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. तो सबसे पहले एक बार इस स्टेप को हम क्या करते हैं, दोनों साइड x के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट कर लेते हैं. dy by dx is equals to dy dx of ux plus dy dx of vx, because we will put the value of this dy dx of ux. We will find the value of dy dx of ux from this relation, and then we will use in first. So now differentiating both sides, this is 1 upon ux. Now dy dx of ux is equals to, using product rule, this x with respect to x is 1. Now log x का differentiation is 1 upon x. What is the differentiation of log x? That is 1 upon x. This x will come, and log x का differentiation 1 upon x, and this is simply log x plus 1, and dy dx of ux is, ux will go and multiply. What is ux? X raised to the power x. So this is the result we will use in our first relation. This value we will put in first relation. So dy by dx is x raised to the power x log x plus 1. Now we have to find out dy dx of vx. So now we have to differentiate this dx function. So there is no requirement to take log on is dy dx of bx is minus 2 raised to the power sin x. This is a raised to the power x log a. But now this is actually not x, this is function of x. So using chain rule, we have to differentiate this sin x also. So dy dx of sin x. So finally we got sin x and differentiation is cos x. So this is the differentiation of the bx function. We can use this in first में इसकी वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो we will get log 2 cos x. So this is the final answer. Now 10th question is y equals to x raised to power x cos x plus x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Before this 10th question, you will do some questions yourself as a homework. And now see, this is actually the addition of two functions. We cannot take log this time. दोनों साइड log नहीं ले सकते. So we have to assume these two functions. So let us assume ux function is x raised to the power x cos x and dx x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. So firstly we will write this as y is equal to ux plus vx. So y function को हम ux plus vx form में we can write this. Now when we can write here that differentiation of this function dy by dx is equal to dy dx of ux dy dx of vx. Differentiating by both sides with respect to x. On differentiating both sides with respect to x. So firstly we will take ux function as x raised to the power x cos x. So function raised to the power function we can take. How we will solve this function raised to the power function? Taking log both sides. Taking log both sides. Log of ux. So this power will come outside x cos x log x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. Whatever function is coming with log, it will go in denominator. Then dy dx of ux. Now here are three functions. तीन functions हैं. अब हमें इनको differentiate करना है. How we will differentiate? We will differentiate first function keeping two same. Then we will differentiate second function keeping first and third same. Then we will differentiate third function keeping first and two same. So it's same procedure as we have done in the product rule of two functions. Differentiating two functions which are coming in product. तो कैसे करेंगे? dy dx of x cos x log x same dy dx of cos x x log x same dy dx of log x x cos x same. So this will be 1 into cos x log x. Cos x का differentiation is minus sin x x log x. Log x का differentiation is 1 upon x cos x. So finally this dy dx of ux is coming. Ux function is x raised to the power x cos x will be multiplied with this one. So we can write value here x raised to the power x cos x. We can take this log x common in this. cos x minus x sin x plus cos x. Log x is coming here, log x is coming here. We can take common log x into cos x minus sin x into x log x plus cos x. Now we will take dx function and differentiate this. Vx is equals to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Same, take log both sides. Log of Vx log of x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. We know that log m upon m is log m minus log m. Log m minus log n. This is the property. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. So d by dx of dx is, now whatever coming with log, after differentiating it, firstly it will go in denominator, then we have to differentiate d by dx of this function with respect to x. Same, 1 upon x square minus 1 d by dx of x square minus 1. So d by dx of vx is, vx function is x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of x square minus 1 is again 2x. Now cross multiply x square plus 1 x square minus 1, 2x multiplied by x square minus 1, 2x multiplied by x square plus 1 and whole multiplied by x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. X square minus 1 is x square minus 1 का whole square. X square minus 1 is x square minus 1 का whole square. Now this 2x cube and this 2x cube is also cancel out. This is minus 2x, it becomes minus 4x upon x square minus 1 का whole square. So this is the differentiation of Vx function. So finally in the answer we can write d by dx of Vx is minus 4x upon x square minus 1 का whole square. So this is dy by dx. This is the answer. Now next question number 11. Same as we have done in question number 10. Two functions. Again we will assume this ux and this one vx. So y will be ux plus vx. So dy by dx is dy by dx of ux plus dy by dx of vx. So firstly we will take ux is equals to x cos x raised to the power x. Taking log both sides, log. So log ux, as you know that when we take log, this power will come outside, x log x cos x. Log of this x cos x. Okay, we this, not only x cos x will come outside. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. So 1 upon ux dy dx of ux. So we will use product rule in this. Firstly we will differentiate x in respect to x1, and then plus sign x. Differentiation of this will be x cos x dy dx of x cos x. Chain rule. So dy dx of ux is this, ux will go and multiply, ux is x cos x raised to the power x cos x log x this is 1, so this is log x cos x, log x cos x plus 1 upon x cos x. So 1 upon cos x, and now we will use chain rule in this. Again chain rule, x का differentiation 1, cos x will remain same, then plus sign will come, x will come, and cos x का differentiation is minus sin x, and this bracket we have to close. So x cos x raised to the power x multiplied by log of x cos x plus 1 cos x will be cancelled out, minus x tan x. This bracket is closed. So we can write here answer x cos x raised to the power x log x cos x plus 1 minus x tan x. Now we will take dx function. Vx is x sin x, same, take log both sides, log of Vx 1 by x sin x. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. 1 upon dy dx of dx. Now how we will differentiate this? Firstly we will differentiate 1 by x with respect to x. This is minus 1 upon x square. 1 x raised to power minus 1 power will come. 1 upon x is x raised to power minus 1. Minus 1 will come outside. 1 power will be reduced, and this is minus 1 raised to the power minus 1 upon x square. And this log x sin x will be same. We are using product rule in these two. Now plus 1 by x same. Now whatever log with log is there, it will go in denominator, and dy dx of x sin x. So dy dx of Vx is, now this is multiplied minus 1 upon x square log x sin x then plus differentiation of sin x is cos x. This bracket is closed. So we can simplify this as d by dx of dx is x sin x raised to the power 1 by x square minus log x sin x we can take LCM of this sin x log x sin x minus sin, then x squared sin x, then sin x plus x cos x. We can more simplify this also. Log x sin x x square separately I am doing sin x. This is 1 upon x square 1 upon x 4x. d by dx of dx. We can combine this. So finally we can write our answer. This part x sin x raised to the power 1 by x bracket start minus log x sin x upon x square plus cot x upon x bracket close. So this is our answer, dy by dx. This is our answer.